Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing BeamNG and the Steam client so files aren't locked. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to Documents /BeamNG. Drive /cache or check %appdata% for BeamNG entries. This is where temporary game assets live. Once there, make a quick backup of the entire cache folder to a safe location. That protects you if something goes wrong. This initial step saves time later and prevents lost settings, so do it now before you delete anything. You now delete the contents inside the cache folder while leaving the parent directory intact. This removes temporary assets without breaking the folder structure. Once done, inspect mods and user maps folders for unusually large or 0-byte files. These often cause cache rebuild errors. Then, make sure to remove or update any suspect mods. If you use Steam, verify the game files to restore any missing base content. This helps repopulate a clean cache and prevents the same corruption from you finish by launching BeamNG. The game will automatically rebuild the cache as it loads assets, which can take a few minutes on first run. Once the main menu appears, make sure to set graphics and mod-related options to stable defaults so the rebuild completes cleanly. If the game still crashes or assets are missing, restore your backup and try verifying files through Steam or reinstalling problematic mods. This troubleshooting step isolates whether the cache or a specific mod is causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.